Students, in my last class we studied about inverting and non-inverting terminal using an ideal op amp. Okay. Now, I extend the thinking of the inverting amplifier to the future of arithmetic operations. Okay. Op amp as summing amplifier, op amp as adder. An op amp can be used, an op amp with inverting configuration can be used to perform addition of two or more input signal. Okay. If there are one input signal, it is an inverting amplifier. If there exist two or more input signals, then it can be used as an inverting adder or summing amplifier, because it amplifies, it adds the applied input signals and also it provides some amplification factor. Okay. And same circuit can be converted into an adder. So, if you make gain unity, then obviously that circuit becomes an adder. Okay. That is a. Now, consider op amp summing amplifier, consider an ideal op amp. See, R1, R2, R3, V1, V2 and V3, the three input signals I1, I2, I3, II. RF, point A, IB, okay, minus plus. See, this is the circuit diagram of summing amplifier. Okay. So, let V1, V2, V3 be the three input signals, applied at the inverting terminal, through resistors, R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Okay. Let I1, I2 and I3 are the currents through R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Let II be the input current, IB is the current through input terminals, IF is a feedback current. RF is the feedback resistor. RF is the feedback resistor. Okay. Next, come to the derivation part. This is circuit description part. Say apply KCL at node A. First step, applying KCL at node A. I equal to IF plus IB, equation number 1. For an ideal op amp, Zi equal to infinity implies IB equal to 0. Zi equal to infinity implies IB equal to 0. Therefore, II equal to IF. II equal to IF. Okay. Now, what is II? II is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to IF. Since I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This current is the sum of 3 currents, input currents. Okay. Therefore, substituting the values of I1 and I2, I1 is equal to V1 minus VA, V1 minus VA divided by R1 plus V2 minus VA divided by R2 plus V3 minus VA divided by R3 is equal to VA minus V0 by RF. VA minus V0 by RF. Okay. Next, by virtual ground concept, VA equal to VB equal to 0 volt. Virtual ground concept ಇಲ್ಲಿ apply ಆಗ್ತದೆ because non inverted terminal is grounded. So, VB equal to 0, therefore, VA equal to 0. This is virtual ground concept. Therefore, V1 minus R1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 is equal to minus V0 by RF. Minus V0 by RF. Okay. Just rearrange the equation. So, this implies that V0 equal to minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. This is the expression for output signal. As in the case of inverting amplifier, output is inverted, you will get negative of the input signal, negative sum of input signal, okay, into RF into V1 by R1. So, for the input signal, the amplification factor is RF by R1. For V2, amplification factor is RF by R2, and for V3, amplification factor is RF by R3. Okay. So, this is the expression for summing amplifier. Now, how do you convert this into an adder? Adder ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ amplification ಬೇಡ, just addition ಆದರೂ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ. So, if RF equal to R1 equal to R2 equal to R3, if you are using same value of resistors, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ohm ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 kilo ohm ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ 10 kilo ohm ಇರಬೇಕು. Same value resistance ಇದ್ದರೆ, if RF equal to R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R, then V0 equal to minus of V1 plus V2 plus V3. So, if you use same value of resistors at the feedback and input terminals, then you can convert given summing amplifier into an adder. Okay. Very simple derivation, once again very important. Okay. Next, it is also known as inverting adder, because you get negative here, negative voltage here, therefore, it is an inverting adder. Okay. Next, op amp as subtractor. op amp as subtractor or difference amplifier, as difference amplifier. Or subtractor. So, op amp subtractor is a device, it is an op amp which is used to subtract, which is used to get the difference between two input signals, which is applied at the inverting and non-inverting terminals. Okay. Circuit diagram is like this. Here also inverting configuration is used. V1 is the voltage applied at the inverting terminal through R1, and V2 is applied at a non-inverting terminal through R2. The voltage to the non-inverting terminal is actually the voltage across voltage at non-inverting terminal is V b, that is voltage across R3. Here R2 R3 forms a voltage divider. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ consider a difference amplifier using an ideal op amp, Okay. Let V1 and V2 are the two signals to be subtracted, applied through R1 and R2 respectively. Okay. Let RF be the feedback resistor, and non-inverting terminal is grounded, through R3. Okay. R2 and R3 forms voltage divider. Okay, this is circuit description. Next, since we are applying two input signals simultaneously at the inverting and non-inverting terminal, to get the output signal, you have to follow the superposition theorem. Okay. For that, considering one source at a time and other terminal is grounded. Okay. Find out the output voltage by considering only one source at a time, and in the second time consider the other source only and the first terminal is grounded, and take the two outputs separately. Finally, using superposition theorem, add these two outputs. Superposition theorem apply ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡುವ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ the output signal the output voltage is obtained by applying superposition theorem. Okay. First step, considering V1 alone and V2 is grounded. The circuit acts as inverting amplifier. See, superposition theorem ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ V2 ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆದರೆ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ದಸ್ V0 is equal to consider as VA, okay, V1. Okay, so just consider this as VO output, the first output voltage V0 VO1 is equal to minus RF by R1 into V1, equation number 1. By consider it as inverting amplifier, the gain of the amplifier voltage, output voltage VO1 is equal to minus RF by R1 into V1. Okay, equation number 1. Second one, now considering V2 alone replacing V1 by ground. Okay, so considering V2 alone, V1 is grounded, the circuit acts as non-inverting amplifier. Okay, thus the output voltage non-inverting amplifier output voltage ಏನು, let it be V0 VO2 second output voltage due to V2 alone. ಈಗ ಇದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, V1 ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಈಗ VO2 ಏನು, 1 plus RF by R1. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ V0 equal to VI into 1 plus RF by R1, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ 1 plus RF by R1 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಎಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ V2 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ VI ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾಟ್ V2, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ R3. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ VB. Therefore, VO2 is equal to 1 plus RF by R1 into VB, where VB is the voltage at non-inverting terminal. Okay. Now, what is VB? VB is voltage across R3. So, V2 is the source, voltage divides, therefore, apply voltage divider rule, V2 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3, that is VB. Okay. So, this is equal to 1 plus RF by R1 into R3 by R2 plus R3 into V2, equation number 2. Okay. By after substituting for VB. Next, from 1 and 2, by applying superposition theorem, VO equal to VO1 plus VO2, both are positives here. VO1 plus VO2, VO1 is minus RF by R1 into V1 plus VO2 1 plus RF by R1 into R3 by R2 plus R3 into V2. So, this is the expression for the difference amplifier. See V2 minus V1 idu negative illi, then add ಮಾಡಿ negative subtraction ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now, to use this as a subtractor, some care should be taken. You need to change the value of RF feedback resistor R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R. If RF equal to R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R, if you use same value of resistors, then V0 equal to minus R by R into V1 plus 1 plus R by R into R by R plus R into V2. See, R cancels here. This is a 1 plus 1 2, this is 2R, R cancels, 2 cancels. Therefore, this is equal to V0 equal to V2 minus V1. V0 equal to V2 minus V1, difference between voltage at non-inverting terminal and voltage at inverting terminal. So, subtract ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ non-inverting terminal voltage minus inverting terminal voltage. So, V2 minus V1. Okay. So, this is the expression for output voltage of the subtractor V2 minus V1. V2 is the non-inverting terminal voltage and V1 is inverting terminal voltage. Okay. So, this is the derivation for op amp as difference amplifier or subtractor. So, consider this circuit that V1 and V2 are the two sources to be subtracted, which is applied through R1 and R2 respectively. So, by applying superposition theorem, considering V1 alone by replacing other ground acts as inverting amplifier. So, let it be VO1 and output voltage VO1 is equal to minus RF by R1 into V1, equation number 1. And second time, considering V2 alone, V1 is grounded. The circuit acts as non-inverting amplifier. So, output voltage VO2 is equal to 1 plus RF by R1 into VB, where VB is equal to V2 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3, that value substitute here. Next, by superposition theorem, after taking algebraic sum of these two output voltages, VO equal to VO1 plus VO2, and that is equal to minus RF by R1 into V1 plus 1 plus RF by R1 into R3 by R2 plus R3 into V2. Okay. If you take same value of resistors, then VO is equal to V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1. Okay. So, two arithmetic operations here we performed using the derivation. Actually, practically this circuit also works good. So, now this is the time to solve some problems. Okay. Let us solve some problems. First one, problems. First one, find the output voltage for the circuit shown in figure. Circuit shown in figure. See, this is the circuit and you can see the values of resistors RF and RI, okay, and the input signal is 3 volt. And here non-inverting terminal is grounded, signal is applied inverting terminal. The circuit is inverting amplifier. Therefore, V naught equal to minus RF by R1 into Vi. So, RF is 5K, 5 into 10 to the power 3, RI is 2K, 2 into 10 to the power 3 into Vi, Vi is 3 volt. So, this is minus, this cancels 2.5 into 3, this is 7.5 volt, minus 7.5 volt. The negative, ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನನ್ನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. One K, 2K, two volt. Can you imagine the type of circuit here? This is non-inverting amplifier, because voltage is applied at the above circuit is non-inverting amplifier. Therefore, output voltage V naught equal to 1 plus RF by R1 into Vi. That is 1 plus RF is here 2K, 2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by Ri 1K into Vi. Vi is 2 volt. So, 1 plus 2, 3 into 2, 6 volt. Answer is 6 volt. Okay. Next, C. Find the output voltage for the circuit given below. K, 10K. V1 equal to Vi equal to 3 volt. This is 3 volt. Okay. Find out the output voltage. See, solution, that will be, this is A1, A2. Here A1 is, and this is non-inverted terminal, non-inverted terminal is grounded. an inverting amplifier, and A2 is, what is A2? This is buffer amplifier, because the output of the inverting amplifier is directly connected to the non-inverting terminal, and the feedback resistor is shorted. Therefore, this is unity gain amplifier called buffer amplifier. A2 is a buffer amplifier. Okay. Therefore, let VO1 be the output of first op amp. Therefore, it is equal to VO1 is equal to minus RF by R1 into VI, that is equal to minus 10K by 10K into 3 volt. 10K cancels, this is minus 3 volt. VO1 is equal to minus 3 volt, which is the input. Now, the output at buffer is VO equal to minus plus VI. VO equal to VO1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ VO1 ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು minus 3 volt. Minus 3 volt is the answer. Minus 3 volt is the answer. Okay. Such type of questions may be asked in the problem section of the op amp, and ಇನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.